Hey guys, back in the garage again today, working on the old blue Willys, and still working on this gas tank here. So today we cut the pattern out that we talked about yesterday. Stainless steel, 18 gauge, and this is what we ended up with. So this is the main pattern for the bottom of the fuel tank. This is, I guess, piece one. There'll be 3 pieces hopefully when it's done. And how we did this was just a pretty cheap plasma cutter. My Hero Cut, I think it's a Hero Cut 45X. Yep. So great little plasma cutter if you can get them. I don't know if they sell them anymore. They were ridiculously cheap on Amazon at one point in time, but I've had mine for 2-3 years now. It's been great. I don't know what I'd do without it. One tip with this stuff, so with stainless steel, where are you guys at? There we go. So overhead view, I don't know. Anyways, with stainless steel, you have to make sure to go through after you cut it with a plasma and deburr and get all the oxidation off the cuts. So the best way I've found to do that is one of these little air files. This is just a cheapy one with good, this one seen better days, but these are the 3M purple belts. Those seem to work really well, last a really long time. And then for some of the longer straight sections, just a regular 4-inch grinder with a, or cordless 4-inch grinder with a flap disc on it. And that helps clean up all the edges. I'll have to go in and get some of these, again, these tight spaces. You can see a little bit of leftover dross in there. I'll have to clean up with a file. But other than that, pretty easy. I think we have 10, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 bends in this piece that we are going to do on the Eastwood mag brake tomorrow. So thanks for following along. This one's pretty darn short. It was just a lot of cutting and making dust and moving this thing around on the table. Did it all just with a aluminum ruler, and then I just hold it down on either side with a few of those magnets I was talking about. These 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch by 1/4 inch neodymium magnets. These are pretty strong, and they're nice for holding the straight edge while you're cutting, instead of trying to have 3 hands or whatever. But that's all I used for this. So we've got our first pattern, and I think after I do just a couple test bends on this material tomorrow to kind of dial in the bend offset, we'll bend this whole thing up, hopefully in one piece. It'll be interesting to see how that goes. So thanks for following along, everybody. Make sure down below subscribe, and there's a bell and something for notifications. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. This has been a pretty good format so far, but I liked interacting with you. I like interacting with you guys, similar to how forums were done. We can't post pictures and stuff below, but I can definitely answer questions, and I'm more than happy to do that through this whole process. So thanks again for following along, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.